Bird, Penny the parrot's lost voice. Penny the parrot woke up and couldn't speak. She was famous for singing songs, but now, nothing. She flapped all around the forest, looking for help. Penny, whispering, "H help." Dr. Duck checked her throat. "Dr. Duck, you need rest, and honey tea." Ricky the rabbit gathered herbs and made tea with forest honey. Penny drank it all, took a nap, and woke up singing again. Penny, thank you for helping me find my voice. Moral: helping a friend in need is always the right thing to do.